Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an ideal and a perfect place where you would like to stay. Example, a house or an apartment. You should say where it would be, what it would look like, what special features it would have, when you would like to live there, whether it would be big or small, and explain why it would be an ideal place for you. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created. Dreams are a reflection of one's recent state of mind as well as reveal critical aspects about future possibilities. And today, I would like to speak about my ideal residence, which I have always longed for. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, it would be located in the countryside area amidst the tranquil backdrop of Mother Nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and it would be a two-story house with bedrooms, kitchen, and living room on the upper floor, while the lower floor would feature a gym and a recreation center. So, as you all can see, we used a range of vocabulary words here like tranquil, which means peaceful. We used hustle and bustle of the city, which means away from the noisy atmosphere of the city, away from the busy life of the city. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, it would be fully equipped with the latest technological facilities, including smart security gates as well as smart locks to ensure complete safety in the remote area. I would like to stay there post retirement, which would provide me ample amount of time to rejuvenate my mind as well as de-stress myself after years of hard work and dedication. Moving further, it would be a moderate sized yet spacious home, which would provide me the perfect combination of comfort, peace, as well as luxury. Finally, it would be the perfect house for me as it would help me to reside in clean and green surroundings, maintaining harmony with the environment while at the same time remaining updated with recent developments and not missing out on the convenience factor. So as you all can see, we did not take any kind of pauses like or we were not like repeating words in between, right? So all these ensure a smooth flow of our conversation and it will increase our band scores for a fluency part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.